please have two kami papers. So what we do, this is the flower here. This is the flower that we make. The petals are the red, and I call it the leaves, but the green. Okay. So what we start with the leaves, but we start with the white side up. White side up, 2 book folds, please. 2 book folds. And 2 diagonals. White side up. 2 diagonals. All valid folds. Open it, put it aside. I take the one for the petals. Color side up. Do 2 book folds. This is very easy, but very nice one. And I put one above the other, the color on the white, and align the lines. Everybody good?
No complaints.
I make a valley fold as far as it goes on all the white triangles, as far as it goes. Next step is bringing the edge to the center, but make the crease only between the diagonals. Only between the diagonals, okay? Only between the diagonals. It is symmetrical, so I do all 4 of them. Only between the diagonals. So we have internal square as valley. This square. Now we turn over the paper and we bring 4 corners to the center. Yes, thank you, good. So follow me, what I do now. I bring this edge to the folded edge here.
Remember, if you need help, just let us know.
Sorry, this one to here. This edge to here. Now I bring the lower edge to the folded edge. Like so. I open it and I do the same on the other side of the triangle. So this one is the first. And this one is the second. Now pay attention to what I do. I open it and I want to make a rabbit here, but not regular as you do always, but like so, okay? So this is how I make it. So okay, let's do it on the other three. Okay, so I turn over and bring corners to the center with exist creases. I do not make any new crease, just exist one. Yes, please make a book fold, both sides. And now, with the book fold that you made, do this. You have the book fold, yes? So take it with your hand and do like this. And when you did this, you just have to open the petals to make them nice and yeah, in a very nice bloom. Yeah. And the flower is ready. This is the back side. And this is the front. It's a colorful model, and very decorative piece to the table. You can have in many colors. You can put it in many colors.